Let's go ahead and take a look at a Little Mermaid room here at Disney's Art of Animation. All right, as we walk into the room, you can see here on the right-hand side, we have 2 queen-size beds. Across from that, we have a cute little table and chairs. I love the Little Mermaid theming here. And let me get some of my stuff out of the way. And there's some sheet music here from, it looks like, Under the Sea. That's really cute. You have a nice mirror here as well. Next to that, we have our smart TV and our coffee station. We have our plugs and charging ports here. There are 3 drawers. They're not really big, but they are good enough. And then here on this side is a little beverage cooler. Connecting door with some hooks here. I love this little octopus, very cute. On the wall with beds, I love the theming. Really, really cute with the clamshells and Ariel's fin over here. Cute little Flounder and Sebastian. And there is a nightstand here. And tucked back there are some charging ports and plugs. Space underneath for some storage. You can store your luggage underneath the beds. More fun artwork. That's Prince Eric and Max. Really cute. Walking into the bathroom, you have a nice size vanity here. Again, cute little mirror. Clamshell details right there. A good size shelf. Your extra blanket and pillow, a safe, ironing board, iron, plenty of space here for luggage and to hang some things. This would be a good spot to have those hanging cubbies if you have more than 1 or 2 people in this room to maximize the storage. And then here is the shower. Looks like we're in Ariel's grotto. That's really cool. It is a shower tub combo. Toilet. Here on the door, there is a full-length mirror. And then the bathroom is kind of partitioned off for a little bit of privacy with this curtain. I normally don't like the shower curtains because some of the older rooms at Port Orleans Riverside have that too, but I do like the Little Mermaid kind of artwork that's on there. Just a really cute room, themed really, really well. I love how the floor looks like ocean. Overall, I don't think that the pictures online really do this room justice. It's very cute, very well themed. This can sleep up to 4 people, so there could be a potential for it to be a little tight, but it is really, really cute, and I'm quite happy with it. So that's going to do it for a room tour of a Little Mermaid room here at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. If you stayed in one of these rooms, did you like the size of it? Did you like the theming overall? This resort is really themed, heavily themed, more so than any of the other value resorts in my opinion, as far as Disney IP, and it's just really fun to stay here. Let me know in the comments which room you like here at Disney's Art of Animation. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any room tours here around Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I will see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.